Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making delicious Kerala Nadan Chicken Curry filled with flavors cooked in coconut milk. So without any further ado, let's begin. Let's see the base ingredients. Here I've taken 4 medium-sized onions, 1 tomato, ginger garlic and green chilli. Let's pound some ginger and garlic. Here I've taken 1.5 inch of ginger finely chopped. 1.5 pots of garlic. This is around 25 to 30 pots of garlic. 1 green chilli. You can increase or decrease the number of green chilies as per your spice preference. Crush this lightly like so. Now heat a kadai. Add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Once the oil gets heated, add the crushed ginger garlic and green chilli. Saute it for a minute till the raw smells goes off. Now add few curry leaves. Add 4 medium-sized onions thinly sliced. Squeeze like so. This helps to detangle the layers of the onions and helps in even cooking. Add a teaspoon of salt. This helps the onions to cook faster. Saute the onions very well on low flame for about 7 to 10 minutes till it turns dark brown like so. Add 1 medium-sized tomatoes. Give it a mix. Now add the dry masalas. Here I have taken 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1.5 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Saute for 5 minutes on low flame till the raw smell of the masalas goes off and the tomatoes become soft and mushy. Add little water to avoid any burning of the masalas. Masalas are sauteed very well. Now add the chicken. I have taken 1 kg of chicken. Sear the chicken on high flame for 5 to 7 minutes till the chicken changes color. This helps to lock in the moisture and makes the chicken juicy and tender. Chicken is turning light brown. Now we'll add the water. Here I've added 2 cups of hot water. Give it a mix. Now add more half teaspoon of salt. Add few curry leaves. Now close the lid and cook on low flame till the chicken is done. It will take around 20-25 minutes. After 20 minutes, the chicken has cooked perfectly. Now add 1 cup of thick coconut milk. Make sure the flame is on low. Once the coconut milk has been added, do not cook the chicken for long. Just simmer it for 3 to 4 minutes. Add half teaspoon of black pepper powder. This gives a nice flavor to the chicken. Now close the lid and keep it aside. Let's move towards the tempering. Take a tadka pan, heat some coconut oil, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once this splatters, add a pinch of fenugreek seeds. Add 12 shallots and fry till this turns golden brown. Add few curry leaves. Towards the end, add some dried red chilli. Finally, add half teaspoon of Kashmiri Red Chilli powder. This gives a nice color. Mix it for a few seconds and immediately add it to the chicken curry. Gently spread this and immediately close the lid and simmer it for a couple of minutes. That's it. Our Nadan chicken curry is ready. Let this sit for minimum 1 hour so the flavors get combined very well. This can be best enjoyed with appams, chapati or rice. Definitely try this recipe. Hope you have liked it. Request you to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified on the further videos. Thank you for tuning in. See you soon.